conditions. We all know that everything has a specific rule or procedure. If that rule is violated, something will be affected or it may lead to chaos. We also know that overspeeding is very dangerous. But unfortunately, most of us know that and can't quit that bad habit. Today I will continue to stop that bad habit or at least reduce your speed. And I believe most of you don't do that. First thing, I will tell you about the general statistics about the accidents in general. It says the average people who die by accident is 1 person per hour. That means 24 persons per day. Okay, so they tells you that. To be honest with you, sometimes I exceed the speed limits a little bit. It's true. It's safe sometimes, and you might feel a little bit excited. However, you might face many risks. One of them, the car may break down anytime during your driving. And also you had a flat tire, and you can imagine what will happen when you're driving at high speed like that. Also, the road is not always clear or free from animals or other physical objects. You may hit one of those things. And driving high speed make the control of the car very difficult. Okay, we said some risks are there during driving high speed, and there's also some economic harm for you and also for the country, for your country. First thing, you will need to change the tire area because of the heavy corrosion, and that also will cost you some money. Problem in your car may appear due high speed, and also driving on a high speed make the consumption of fuel more, even though the fuel here is very cheap, but at least they will for the sake of the nature. Also, you may cut by tire system. Do you know what's that? No need for explanation. I hope I have convinced you to quit that habit, or at least to reduce your speed during driving. And also I told you about some risks and some economic harm. And finally, I wish to all of you safe trips, and don't forget that the road is not only yours. So please follow the traffic rules, and you may have saved life by doing that. Also, all the people who made accident due high speed were confident about their driving skills. So please take care. Thank you for listening.